Wearing a costume in public actually draws quite a lot of attention, a lot of positive responses. So I was thinking if we could tap on this and maybe to link it up with good causes, I think that would be a great idea. In Pause for a Cause, we believe that there's no cause too small, because what may be just a lift of the finger to you may just move mountains for many others. For example, we do regular visits at KK Women's and Children's Clinic. The reaction when they see costume characters visiting them makes you feel that you have really impacted them. Usually these beneficiaries are people with kids with sometimes terminal illnesses like leukemia and whatnot. So sometimes they have some birthday wish to have a superhero grace their birthday party. That's where we come in, and the reaction and the happiness you see on the face makes you want to volunteer for the next event. I remember the first event was actually in November 2013, collaborating with Mercy Relief to raise funds for the typhoon victims in Philippines. Yeah, all in all, we even managed to raise over 30,000. Students and kids should just give it a try, to do something for someone with no other motivation, just wanting to make that difference. Just that first step to try to experience giving without asking for anything. This is how I build my future. How would you build yours?